I just look for Nyash.
Nyash.
Yeah,
Wow.
I look for Nyash.
Money and handsomeness. Money, of course.
Money, of course. Why money?
I like Kenyan girls.
Wow.
And I like Kalenjin girls.
So today I'm with, what's your name?
I'm Enoch
Enoch.
from Kenya.
From Kenya?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. How is Kenya?
Kenya is a very nice place. Hakuna matata.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's, what does that mean?
No worries.
Oh, hakuna matata.
Visit Kenya, hakuna matata.
No worries.
Everything
is
is
okay.
okay. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So my brother, do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do have.
All right,
Yeah,
that's fine. So I want to know what is the attractive thing that is in here that led you to say, okay, I like this girlfriend.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's beautiful and working. Yeah.
Okay, is she white or black?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Wow, why do you like chocolate skinned girls?
They're good. They're nice.
They're good.
Yeah, they're good.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can you describe the experience
The experience for
for chocolate girls?
okay, chocolate girls are very nice, beautiful. Yeah. Natural beautifulness.
All right.
Yeah.
So what are other factors that you consider besides beautiful when you are looking for a girl?
Behaviors.
Behaviors.
Yeah, we check with the behaviors.
So you need somebody who has got good behavior,
Yeah, good
great
behaviors.
character, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she must be in my tribe, you see.
Okay.
I'm from a tribe called Kalenjin. Yeah.
So can you date somebody with a different religious background with yours?
What do you say?
Different religion from your religion.
Okay, I'm a Christian.
Yeah. Okay. How about somebody who comes from a different country? You said they should only be your tribe, which means if somebody is from another country, then you cannot date.
I can date maybe if they are just what do you consider as the behavior? I think it's the behaviors. Yeah. If she's a nice guy, she's a nice lady, then it's okay. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
just
amazing.
behaviors. But mostly our parents recommend us for girls from our tribe. Yeah, our clan. Yeah.
That's amazing. So what advice do you have for young guys who are just getting into relationships?
Relationship not for everybody, but yeah, you have to. If you're in a relationship, stick with your partner, love your partner. Yeah, that's all.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
So if there's somebody who knows you, what would you want to say to them who is watching this vlog?
Oh,
Somebody who know you,
Who
what
know
do
me?
you want to tell them if they are there who are watching you?
I love you guys.
Wow,
Bye.
thank you so much.
Okay,
brother.
thank you.
Right. Hi bro, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm great. I'm talking to
You're talking to Joseph Kim.
Wow, Joseph Kim.
Yeah, from Kenya.
From Kenya.
Yeah, from Kenya.
I like Kenya that much.
Oh, I also like here in
Wow,
Cape
that's
Town.
great. You like Cape Town?
Yeah.
But I'm actually from Sims. I've got some questions for you.
Okay, no worry.
Yes.
You can go on.
So as a gentleman, as a man,
Yeah.
what are the things that you look for when you are looking for a girl?
For a girl,
Yes.
maybe I'll just look for Nyash.
Nyash.
Yeah,
Wow.
I look for Nyash.
Nyash.
Yeah.
What else?
And boobs.
And boobs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and maybe the facial expression.
Facial.
Yeah.
So they really have to be very, in terms of facial, how is supposed to be?
I can say maybe I like those who are chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
So if you are to find a girl, which places would you look for? Do you have a specific area that you say, I like a girl from which country, or it's just any girl who needs this?
As for me,
Yeah.
I like Kenyan girls
Wow.
and I like Kalenjin girls.
Kalenjin, is it a tribe in
It's
Kenya?
a tribe in Kenya.
Okay.
So, and I love them very much.
Wow. I
Yeah.
would like to meet one.
Though I'm a Kuyu, but I love Kalenjin very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've been hearing about Kenya a lot, but I've never been there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just know of Nairobi. That's the
Nairobi.
city that I know
Yeah,
in
that's the
Kenya.
city of Nairobi.
Okay.
Of Kenya.
Yes.
Yeah.
So is that the city that has got beautiful ladies, or almost everywhere in Kenya?
There are so many beautiful Kenyans there in Nairobi. Because we have so many tribes. We have like Kikuyu, we have Kambas. Kambas, they are very nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great. What's
Yeah.
the staple food in Kenya?
Ugali.
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 Okay, that's great. That's amazing. So if
Yeah.
there's somebody who knows you is actually watching this vlog, what do you want to say to them?
I'll just say here in Cape Town, it's very nice. I enjoy to be here. Yeah, only that.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
amazing. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, my brother. Any advice for young guys who is watching you?
For now, let me just say thank you.
Hello, my sister.
Hello,
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good.
Nice. You're talking to Jason. What's your name?
I'm Celestin from Kenya.
Celeste from Kenya.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. I heard that Kenya has got beautiful ladies. This
Yes.
is why I'm actually seeing you.
Okay.
What a beautiful lady in front of me.
Thank you. Thank you.
What are the things that are mostly attractive in men? When you say this man I love you, what do you look for? What do you see?
Qualities, behavior.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those are the main two things that you like,
Yeah.
the quality and the behavior.
Yes.
Okay. Would you go for money or handsome?
Money and handsomeness. Money, of course.
Money, of course. Why money?
Who doesn't like money?
Okay. So you generally doesn't look at how a man is when it comes to their looks.
Yeah.
You just want money.
Money.
Oh, okay. What's your ideal date place?
I don't know this country so well.
You don't know?
I'm just new here.
Okay. Oh, you just new here. Maybe in Kenya or anywhere in the world. Do you have a place that you say I would like to go with them, with my men, something like that?
Mombasa, Kenya.
Mombasa. Oh, shout out to all my sisters and
Yeah.
brothers who are in Mombasa. I really like Kenya so much, and I'm actually planning on my trip to come to Kenya and see all the places, see around Nairobi, Mombasa,
Yeah.
and all those beautiful ladies.
Yeah.
So whenever you meet a Kenyan, you actually see that I've met a sister or somebody that I can actually relate to.
Yeah.
So my sister, can you tell me about the size of the stick? Do you want it long or short when it comes to men?
I just need love.
Just need
That
love.
one doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really.
You guys, is that true? Guys, in the comment section, I want you to tell me if it's true. What she's saying, it doesn't matter. Is that true? So do you go for a short guy or a taller guy?
Taller guy.
Taller guy. Why
Yes.
taller guy?
I like tall people.
Okay,
Tall men.
so to those short guys, what would you want to say though?
No. For me, that's not my choice.
That's not your choice.
Yeah. Short men.
Guys, I wonder what are the short guys going to do, but anyways, it's a story for another day. If you have something to say, let me know in the comment section. That you guys by this time you should be liking and subscribing to this video, because it's such an exciting way we move by and we talk to beautiful ladies and people from all over the continent, Africa and the world at large. So my sister, if there's somebody who is watching you right now and who knows you, what would you want to let them to tell them?
But we choose behavior, we don't choose